What does this FTA mean for India? Well, what we understand is that premium luxury European cars such as BMW, Mercedes are set to become cheaper in the Indian market once the bilateral trade agreement gets implemented. Remember that it has already been signed, it's been inked. And what we also understand is that India is heavily protectionist about certain sectors like agriculture and auto. So India is also offering quota-based import duty concessions is what we understand. And this is all written in the Pact. And the EU will eliminate duty in a phased manner for Indian automobiles. But India will reduce the duties, the levies, to about 10% for specified numbers. That's what the Pact says, is what we understand from our sources. So this could also prompt car makers from EU countries which sell vehicles in India with prices that start around 3.8 crore import all of its models. And EU FTA is likely to be beneficial for certain companies. In fact, more than what we think in terms of benefits that EU can get out of this. Manufacturers and Indian consumers are also keenly watching the progress of how this trade pact gets implemented. The talks of this started in 2007. It's been 16 long years. And extending duty concessions in a sector which is seen as one of those extremely protectionist and also major contentious issues that also led to a pause in negotiations in 2013 will be completely watched with a lot of curiosity. And the country's auto sector is strengthening. India is also extending duty concessions under FTA, which means that there are quota-based concessions to UK car makers. And as per the agreement, India and EU have negotiated a quota-based duty concessions, which means that the EU has had a very aggressive demand for the sector, but which also means that India has been able to protect its auto industry strongly, a sector that's growing at a faster pace and is a major employment sector. And which means that India's Make in India program would also get a boost, and it's getting protected.